Hey everybody, Single Dad here. And this is Lockdown 2020 for the coronavirus, trying to keep the spread down. This, I believe, during this filming is probably day probably 6, and we're in Ohio. And so this recipe is something fun. My son wanted ice cream. I said, you know what, I don't feel like going out. We got to make sure we stay on lockdown mode. So I took some ingredients I had around the house and I said, hey, let's get a smoothie going for you, all right? So we're gonna make a smoothie real quick and easy in a blender, any kind of blender you wanna use. I use the Ninja, but we can use any kind of blender you want. So it's a real quick and easy meal. There we go.